Oi everybody, Juliana here. Today we'll be going for a little trip to my favorite farmer's market, St. Jacobs Farmer's Market. St. Jacobs Farmer's Market is a farmer's market and flea market located in Waterloo, Ontario, Canada. Open all year with indoor and outdoor, local, fresh and original products. This is a place I really recommend trying while in Ontario to have an amazing food experience. I will show you all around the market with a couple of my favorites and most popular bites. It's a very authentic Canadian experience to enjoy. I visited this place in every single season. Each season has its own special flavors and events. If you're going on Saturdays, as I always do, make sure you get ready for the lineups. Parking is available right there. There is a very big outdoor space in the summer, spring and fall time where you can walk and get anything that's fresh in season. Also food trucks, artisan products, and much more. If you want to grab a bite and eat in the market, there are outside tables to enjoy your food. Inside the main building, there is a big variety of food vendors and local farmers to explore. You can find freshly farmed fruits, vegetables, meats, and seafood. All kinds of jams, sauce, dressings, and much more. Lots of freshly made food options to go crazy from. Make sure to get the very original Canadian maple in this place here, where they produce one of the best maple syrup in Ontario. And you can find your home and mark it on their map. There are pastries, baked goods, for all tastes and lovers. All very fresh and delicious. Everything is amazing around here, but my main recommendation are for sure to try the very popular apple fritter, which you can understand how good it is just to look at the lineup. Yes, you need to get in the lineup to try it. They make very unique apple fritters using a whole apple in their special way. You can pick traditional, with caramel, and you can also add ice cream. Another one that I love is the mini donuts. Very fresh and light. It's delicious. This chips place is also a very good one where you can pick different kinds of chips. Upstairs in the main building you can find artisan products, home decor, and other options besides food. I really recommend to check the butterfly store. It's incredibly beautiful. Another delicious recommendation that I give is in the other food building. You can eat some fresh pretzel where you can also watch them making everything. You can find lots of more food. And vendors of clothes, arts, home and all kinds of decor. At St. Jacobs Market, you can really find just about everything. It's a very good way to get immersed in the Canadian culture in Ontario. That's my video for St. Jacobs Market. Stay tuned for other amazing St. Jacobs area videos, including a train experience in downtown St. Jacobs. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to drop a like here. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe here. On BakeCookTravel, we always bring the best food adventures and food recipes. If you'd like to see more food recipes, click here. And for more food adventures, click here. See you in the next video.